Good morning, my name is Tim Bound. I work here at Transtherm Cooling Industries, and today I wanted to show you two special specification V-coolers that are ultimately destined for an energy centre roof on a pharmaceutical plant in Scotland. The larger unit is a 14 fan unit designed to dissipate 4.5 megawatts of heat from the jacket water and exhaust circuits, so the exit air temperature can get quite warm. But we do the necessary calculations and work with our fan manufacturers to ensure that we stay inside restricted tolerances to make sure we don't burn out the fans prematurely. Special adaptations include handrails and ladders for safe and secure access to the fans without any need for additional platforms. As they're going to be placed adjacent to each other on the energy centre roof, we had to ensure that the combined noise level was no greater than 75 decibels at 1 metre. The smaller unit is a 270 kilowatt 4-fan unit with all of the same adaptations, but that will ultimately serve the intercooler circuit on site. Thanks for watching. If you have any requirements for bespoke coolers, please get in touch. Thanks.